Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating your environment and ensuring reproducibility. Create a Venv or Conda environment and install Python 3. 10 plus NumPy, OpenCV and Torch. Once done, confirm your image source, USB camera, Pi camera, or a folder of labeled images, and write the first capture loop, CV2. Video capture, read frame, check return value, and CV2. Show. Make sure frames display and frame rate is acceptable. This immediate feedback tells you your pipeline works before adding models. Now you transform raw frames into model-ready tensors, resize consistently, convert BGR to RGB, normalize using model mean/STD, and apply augmentations like random crop and flip during training. Next, choose the right tool, OpenCV DNN or ONCS for lightweight inference, Torch Vision or Detectron 2 for training and complex detection. Use transfer learning to reduce data needs, set a sensible batch size for your GPU, and profile training memory and throughput. This ensures steady progress without unexpected OOM errors. Finish by exporting a validated model to ONCS or Torch script and building the real-time inference loop. Load model, preprocess frames identically, run batched or async inference, and post-process outputs for display. Once deployed, optimize with quantization or TensorRT and measure latency and accuracy under real conditions. If results are wrong or unstable, check one key troubleshooting area. Ensure your training and inference preprocessing, resize, normalization, channel order match exactly. Mismatches are the most common silent failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.